Hi beautiful family, welcome to a new day and a new video. So today we're going to be pronouncing these words, so pronounce alongside with me. Let go. Diabolic, diabolic, diabolic. Semantics, semitic, semitic. Prophetic, prophetic, prophetic. Civic, civic, civic. Ironic, ironic, ironic. Cleric, cleric, cleric. Cryptic, cryptic, cryptic. Logistic, logistic, logistic. Statistics, statistics, statistics. Basic, basic, basic. Epic, epic, epic. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. So we go again. We have diabolic, diabolic. Semitic, semitic. Prophetic, prophetic. Civic, civic. Ironic, ironic. Cleric, cleric. Cryptic, cryptic. Logistic, logistic. Statistic, statistics. Basic, basic. Epic, epic. Fantastic, fantastic. So let's see these ones. We have angelic, angelic, angelic. Classic, classic, classic. Majestic, majestic, majestic. Apostolic, apostolic, apostolic. Domestic, domestic, domestic. Graphic, graphic, graphic. Aromatic, aromatic, aromatic. Aristocratic, aristocratic, aristocratic. Optimistic, optimistic, optimistic. Dynamic, dynamic, dynamic. Epidemic, epidemic, epidemic. Holistic, holistic, holistic. We have angelic, angelic. Classic, classic. Majestic, majestic. Apostolic, apostolic. Domestic, domestic. Graphic, graphic. Aromatic, aromatic. Aristocratic, aristocratic. Optimistic, optimistic. Dynamic, dynamic. Epidemic, epidemic. Holistic, holistic. Hygienic, hygienic, hygienic. Horrific, horrific, horrific. Hydronic, hydronic, hydronic. Logic, logic, logic. matric, 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 meristic, 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 organic, 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 specific, 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 realistic, 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 lyric, relic, lyric, electric, 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 eccentric, eccentric, eccentric. We have hygienic, hygienic, horrific, horrific, hydronic, hydronic, logic, logic, matric, matric, meristic, meristic, organic, organic, specific, specific, realistic, realistic, lyric, lyric, electric, electric, eccentric, eccentric. Let's see the next one. Fourth section we have aquatic, 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 ceramic, 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 pelvic, 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 chronic, 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 olympic, 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 dramatic, 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 septic, 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 vibronic, 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 atonic, 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 bionic, 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 botanic, 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 ectopic, ectopic, ectopic. We have aquatic, aquatic, ceramic, ceramic, pelvic, pelvic, chronic, chronic, olympic, olympic, dramatic, dramatic, septic, septic, vibronic, vibronic, atonic, 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 bionic, bionic, botanic, botanic, ectopic, ectopic. Let's see the next one. And how many have you gotten so far? Let's see the next one. Let's go. Endemic, 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 epidemic, 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 pandemic, 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 frantic, 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 gastric, 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 generic, 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 genetic, 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 peptic, 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 technique, 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 topic, 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 comic, 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 public, public, public. We have endemic, endemic, epidemic, epidemic, pandemic, pandemic, frantic, frantic, gastric, gastric, generic, generic, genetic, genetic, peptic, peptic, technique, technique, topic, topic, comic, comic, pubic, pubic. So how many did you get right? And this is the last for today's video. Let me see your comment in the comment section. I want to know how many you actually score on today's video. And meanwhile, if you're just joining us for the first time, this is what we do. We learn how to read, write, and speak. And at this moment, we are still on our 31 days spelling and pronunciation journey. So if you like what we do, you can actually join us simply by subscribing. And when you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button, because in that way, you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for joining us today. And I hope it was worth your watch time. Don't forget to stay safe. See you tomorrow on our next class, and bye for now.